Hi guys, today I will show you how to fix lagging on your laptop. First, let's go to the start menu, click settings, and go to privacy. As could you see, my laptop is also lagging, but you will notice the difference later on. First, turn off all the four options on your general. Then go to speech, skip, and go to diagnostic and feedback. You will notice the difference later on. On your location, turn it off, then skip your camera, microphone, and voice activation, and then turn off all the rest. Now you will notice the difference from earlier. Once you are done turning it off, you're now going to restart your laptop and come back for part 2.